This week I will show you a quick massage to instantly lift up your cheeks. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I will show you a quick massage to instantly lift up your cheeks. This is something you could do over the makeup too. First, pinch the cheek muscles gently. If you find tight spots, give them a little lift towards the temple. You're not pinching the skin, you're pinching the muscles under the skin. Healthy muscles are lean, so they allow good circulation and function well, meaning they can extend and contract. If your cheek muscles are hard and tight, it weighs down on your face to create the unwanted nasolabial lines to make you look older. So we're loosening the cheek muscles to make it more malleable. Pinch the jaw muscles too. You may find it very hard if you tend to clench or grind teeth at night. This helps to separate the muscles that may be stuck together. Next, loosen the side of your head. The cheek muscles that you want to lift goes up diagonally towards the side of your head above the ears. It's not straight upward or to the sides. Pinch the muscles on the side of your head called temporal muscles. If it's hard to pinch, which is not very surprising, grab some hair and move the scalp. You can grab the bigger area too. Or massage it with fingertips, flat part of your fist, or heel of the palm. When you massage the side of your head, tilt your head to the side so your hand and arm don't have to work hard and get tired. Or do both at the same time. Finally, press up the cheek muscles against the cheekbone on 3 locations and press the side upward to set them in place. Again, if you tilt your head down diagonally, it's easier for your hands and arms. I have my armpit closed and pressing my head into the hand, instead of pressing the hand into the head. Let's do the other side so you won't be lopsided. Loosening the cheek muscles also helps you to make a beautiful smile easier. And who doesn't want to smile if you look a little younger? Looking even 1 year younger than your age is a valid anti-aging. Loosening the temporal muscles on the side of your head also helps the eyes. Having a clearer vision is a nice side effect of this cheek lift massage. When you're pressing under the cheekbone, you are also pressing acupressure points that are good for sinus, toning the skin, and getting rid of puffiness. If you absolutely don't want to touch your makeup, you can just work on the side of your head. If you're pressed for time, you can do both sides at the same time to save the time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. And click on the bell so you'll be notified when my video is up and out.